Freddie Freeman is a Canadian and American professional baseball first baseman for the Los Angeles Dodgers of Major League Baseball. Freeman made his MLB debut with the Atlanta Braves in 2010 and played with them for 12 seasons. Freeman was born on September 12, 1989 in Fountain Valley, California. Both of Freeman's parents are from Ontario, Canada. His mother was from Peterborough while his father is from Windsor. Because Freeman's parents were both born in Canada, Freeman holds dual Canadian and American citizenship. Freeman grew up a fan of the Los Angeles Angels. At age 6, he practiced with Little League ball players from Orange, California who were older. At age 7, he was placed on a team of 9-year-olds. When Freeman himself turned 9, he was assigned to play with 12-year-olds. In 2024, he won World Series MVP after setting a record for consecutive World Series games with a home run, including the first walk-off Grand Slam in World Series history. An 8-time MLB All-Star and 2-time World Series champion, Freeman won a Gold Glove Award in 2018, the Silver Slugger Award in 2019, 2020 and 2021, and the National League's Most Valuable Player Award in 2020. Freeman made his MLB debut with the Atlanta Braves in 2010 and played with them for 12 seasons. After the Braves won the 2021 World Series over the Houston Astros, Freeman entered free agency and signed a 6-year, $162 million contract with the Dodgers. Freeman is the son of Frederick and Rosemary Freeman, both Canadian. Freeman married Chelsea Goff in 2014. Goff appeared in Season 8, Episode 15 of Say Yes to the Dress, Atlanta. The couple has 3 sons. Freeman's youngest son, Maximus, was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome in 2024. While he played for the Braves, Freeman and his family lived in Atlanta during baseball season and in California during the off-season. On May 20, 2024, during a game against the Arizona Diamondbacks, Freeman hit his 6th career Grand Slam against pitcher Slade Cecconi. Freeman hit another Grand Slam on July 19 while facing Boston Red Sox pitcher Brennan Bernardino. He played in 147 games this season with 22 home runs, 89 RBI and a 0.282 batting average, his lowest since the 2015 season.